Okay, so it's been a hot minute since I showed you my beauty room. Apologies if it's a little bit shaky. I am filming on my iPhone because I just wanted to show you guys my beauty room. So if you watched my last video, I did actually show you my makeup room. It's changed a little bit. We have Christmas stuff down here. So I found that this room basically becomes like a storage room, right? And then I've got my makeup and a skincare closet in here. I don't know if I went over my skincare, but this is what it looks like. Let me just quickly show you so you've got an idea of what it's like. This is what it looks like. These drawers are from IKEA. This was inbuilt. I get so many questions about what this is, and I believe it's like a PAX, IKEA PAX, but it's inbuilt. And then I've got all of these drawers full of makeup, which is super handy for me. Right here, of course, I've got Benefit for my brow products. We've got powders, we've got concealers. But I'm not going to bore you with my makeup content, my makeup storage, because my last video goes through everything that I have. So I'm just giving you guys a quick overview. Now, if you turn around, so this is like a little closet. The walkway is through there. I've got a little bit of space here and I never know what to do with this. So if you have ideas of what to do, let me just quickly show you what to do with like this. I don't know. But we do have a radiator cover, which I love. I love radiator covers. But this is my beauty room. So this is like my filming studio. This is where all the setups are. And of course it is Christmas themed. Now granted, the back of the Christmas tree is not decorated because you don't see that in the video. And I really want to kind of decorate it with my fiance, so I didn't want to do it all. So that is why this is bare. So as you walk in, this is what it looks like. I've popped all the lights on for you guys. So we have this big room, and then we also do have a bathroom through there. So let me just give you a quick overview of how it is. I'm not going to edit this footage. We're just going to talk through. Let me walk you through and talk you through. So I'm going to start on this side of the room. I have just some wardrobes here that have camera equipment. They have all my clothing. They have like jewelry, storage boxes, stuff like that in there. I have this rail, more aesthetics, but I don't know. Let me know, does it make the room look a little bit more messy? I like just a little bit of color in the background if I'm going to film in that direction. But we've got this Ottoman Storage from Danelle. I've got like a knot cushion. And I've got all my bags in here, and then I've just got pink clothing hung on this IKEA rail. I also get loads of questions on this dresser. This is from IKEA. So these two are Alex drawers. Then you just get a £20 worktop and plop that straight on. You can throw it in, but I don't. And then my mirror is, it was a gift from my fiance, but it's like from Illuminated Mirrors or something. The flowers are all from IKEA. And they are just in vases. And then I got this lightning bolt that looks like an N to me, a neon sign, so I've popped that there. And then to tie in with all the flowers, I've used IKEA flowers here with fairy lights in. This is my little nail station. I will show you little close-ups, but this is my nail station. The nail stands are also from, where are they from? These are from Amazon. And the desk is the Mickey desk from IKEA. Literally, I feel like everything is from IKEA. I also have, so this room is like a really kind of, I would say a weird shape because it's almost symmetrical here where it comes out. So this is like the roof, right? And then it's got this little area here. So I've just popped my desk there, and that is actually my filming desk that's put away. Usually it's in the center of the room for when I'm filming, but for the purpose of the video, I just wanted it all to look clean so you guys could see. So that is all of that. And then we also made this not that long ago now. This is the latest setup. So my dad actually helped me make, well, my dad and I made this flower arch. We also made this backdrop because I wanted something just very neutral. So I have all of this fabric from Amazon. We've put fairy lights in. And then we have swung. We've also put up this macrame swing. Got macrame foot piece and then a rug just for the whole vibe, you know, just to kind of tie it in. Of course, with Christmas being around the corner, I also have a Christmas tree up because I've been filming Christmas content, Black Friday content, and it's really nice in the background. And then I have a wreath up there again with a radiator cover. And then through here, I have the bathroom. Now this bathroom doesn't really get used, I'll be honest. I take my makeup off in here. I don't use the shower unless I am filming content, because we have another shower downstairs and it doesn't really make sense. We've got a whole bathroom, but it's a really nice, bright bathroom. And I love that I have this space. And then I walk into here. Honestly, this is like my dream beauty room. I also have a chandelier up here, which is from Next, which I feel like just ties the whole room together. Let me know if you've got anything that you want me to go over in depth. I really don't want to be opening these drawers because let me just show you. They are pretty messy. They're not organized at all. This one's also popped out. They're not organized at all, so I don't really want to be going through the drawers. But let me show you a close-up of the flower art. So like I said, all of these flowers are from IKEA. And I'm gonna try, let me see if I can show you how we made it. I do have an Instagram reel, so hopefully you can see that chicken wire that goes all the way up, all the way to the ceiling, and you can see that it's a little bit barer. And then all we've done is just hooked on the flowers one by one to create this beautiful arch. I love the tones in it. I love the fairy lights. I do actually need to turn, I feel like I need to add the batteries, like add new batteries. You can see that these fairy lights are kind of diminishing, but this room looks super beautiful when the lights are off. I think it looks even more beautiful. So that is the flower arch. And then just on the table, I'm not a big fan of like really decorative things, like little tidbits, so I like to keep it clean and simple. And I love these nail stands. I feel like they add a little bit of color. I then have this fake plant from Chickadee, which I fell in love with, and I got this kind of like wicker plant pot from Habitat in Sainsbury's. Really love that as well. I've got my desk here with an IKEA chair. There's not really anything about this. I feel like I've not really put much time and effort, but this is just a space for me to work. This whiteboard is honestly insane. It is from Amazon, and I use it every single day to put like all my jobs and everything like that on it. And I love that it's frameless as well. And then this is the stuff that I use basically to film with, that I will put in the middle of the room. And I love this trolley. You can get them in Hobbycraft, but I got mine from IKEA. This is like my everyday trolley, so it's got like everyday things in it, hair things, makeup things, just easy for me to sort of use, right? And move around, take it into my makeup room, fill it up. So I love that. This is a close-up of all of this, well, this setup, I suppose. The flowers obviously look different right now. We've also got flowers on at the swing because, I mean, I could have changed them out for Christmas, but I really couldn't be bothered. So there's a mix of flowers right now, but this is what the background looks like. And then I can change it to just have like plain white, no fairy lights. I can change my background to be like this, to have a little bit of color. It just really depends on the vibe of the room. And also, oh, I forgot, behind here I do have, where are they? I do have these, which actually switch the lights on. So I've got one and I've got two. Ooh. These actually switch the lights on to the ceiling. And I never use them. The only reason being is because you never see it in the filming, but it looks super pretty. So I forgot to turn that on. And that is the top. Me and my dad, for this, honestly, we spent a day and a half trying to figure out how to do this. We got there in the end. There were tears, I'm not gonna lie to you. But it is pretty, and you do see the ceiling sometimes, like depending on how tilted my camera is, but I just wanted it to finish off the look, and I'm really happy with that. And I think that, guys, is it. I didn't go over my rug. So this one is from Wayfair, this jute rug. Came really quickly. And then I have these. So this one is from Dunelm, and the grey one is from The Range. And I've just laid them over the top. Honestly, that was not planned at all. It's just because I had two rugs. Neither of them, both of them were kind of small for the room, and I didn't know what to do with them. And I didn't kind of want to buy another rug. Just because I need loads of space. When I'm wheeling stuff around, I don't want it to be on rugs, but I still wanted a rug to make things feel homely. So I just put them on top of each other and I think they look really nice. I love this little setup. I love like the color scheme. Let me know which side is your favorite. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to switch all the lights off and then show you what it looks like in the dark as well. Okay, so as you can see, it looks even prettier at night. I do need to replace the batteries in that fairy light, so you can't see the little fairy lights at the top of the flower arch. But I think, honestly, I just love it at night. I love how it looks, especially this area. This one with all the fairy lights, the Christmas tree, the ceiling. Honestly, it is beautiful. Make sure that you keep in tune with me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because these setups won't last forever. I know that I get bored quite quickly, so I'll probably change this round. I'm always making changes. If you've got any ideas for what I can possibly do for this wall, I am using it as like putting stuff away, like my lights for now. But if you've got any idea what I could do with that little cubby area, but still make it useful and not just decorative, then let me know. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was super quick and chatty, and I hope you loved it.